Wow, so we are here today at Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay to try out the new Serengeti Flyer. Oh my goodness, this thing is humongous. And with us right now is Andrew Schaefer, and he is the Corporate Director of Project Management.
Yep.
Wow, well thank you so much. We really appreciate
Thank
this.
you for coming.
Yes, definitely. So, how did this even come to tuition?
So this ride, we've actually started this prior to COVID. So this ride has been underway for quite a while. We had to stop it for a little while due to COVID.
Yes.
And then we picked it back up and here we are today.
Wow, amazing. What is it that you can tell us, like certain statistics about this really tall ride?
Yeah, so Serengeti Flyer is actually 105 feet tall. The swing goes up to 135.
Oh,
So
wait,
it's actually,
what?
Yeah, it's taller than the tower. So when you're swinging, you're actually beyond that.
Wow.
So you're beyond like horizontal, beyond 90 degrees. You're up to 115 degrees actually when you're swinging on the swing.
Wow.
Yeah.
Was there any type of like particular like steel or materials that make this particular ride stand out?
I wouldn't say any kind of materials that make it stand out. I mean, it's a pretty cool pendulum style swing.
Oh,
it's
okay.
run off of compressed air.
Wow.
So we've got a big compressor yard that's way out in the distance that you can't see, but the big tanks on the side are what holds the air, pumps it into the system, and that's what forces you back and forward throughout the ride.
Wow, interesting. And I hear there's another one in Busch Gardens, Williamsburg. Is that accurate?
Yes, there is. The one in Busch Gardens, Williamsburg is a little bit smaller, so this one's quite a bit taller at the 105 feet, and so quite a bit of a different ride experience on the two.
Wow. And is there anything that you would like to tell our listeners and viewers that would be most enjoyable about this?
So this is a really fun ride. I mean, it's catered toward like the younger age, the younger teenagers and kind of up groups. So it's a nice stepping stone as well past like your first smaller kids coaster,
Right.
Air Grover
Yeah.
or something for the people that know our park. So it's a nice stepping stone beyond that to something a little bit more thrilling. But it's a really fun ride. It's got a lot of force when it pushes you back and forth.
Wow.
So yeah, it's fun.
Oh, definitely looking forward to it. And again, thank you so much, Andrew.
Yeah,
we
you're
really
welcome.
appreciate
Yeah,
it.
thanks for coming.
All right, you guys, so we're going to go ride this ride for the very first time.
Yep.
I don't know if this is a really great moment of our life, but it is a great moment of our life, but it's going to be scary. And you'll get to see our reaction because they're going to be filming us. And
Yeah.
yeah, so here we are at Busch Gardens in Tampa Bay, and we're going to ride the new ride, Serengeti Flyer, that goes over the safari here at Busch Gardens. So are we ready to do this?
Yeah.
I don't know if we have much of a choice, but we're going to do this.
Yes,
So, all right, guys, let's go take this adventure. All right, it's a great moment of our life, right?
Yeah.
All right, see ya. what'd you think?
Amazing.
I liked it. It was a very smooth ride up until the end, and you're like, oh shit, oh my gosh, WTF. And you know, if you're afraid of heights, probably wouldn't recommend it. But I'm afraid of heights, but I love roller coasters, but I still did it.
Yeah, yes.
You know, the footage was kind of funny because we really didn't think we were going to get footage. They were going to film us, but it was fun. I would recommend it. It is definitely trying it for the first. They have two different sides, so we only did one side, and the other side looks in a different direction. So you have two chances to try it. So, yeah, Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay, Serengeti Flyer. We really enjoyed it. Thank you, Busch Gardens, for inviting us and giving us this great moment. And we're excited. We can't wait to do some more stuff. So, all right, you guys. So, Charmers, we love you. Love yourself, and the world will love you in return. chris.and.will.com for more information. And, of course, all of our social media. What is our social media, Willie?
Instagram at chris.and.will, Facebook at The Real Prince Charmings, and TikTok at Prince Charmings of Podcast.
Absolutely. And go to Buschgardens.com. I almost forgot. That's how silly it is. Buschgardens.com for more information. Serengeti Flyers is opening soon here at Busch Gardens. All right, you guys, love yourself and the world will love you. Returning again. We love you guys. Thank you so much, Busch Gardens, and we thank you guys. We'll see you again real soon. Bye.
Bye.